On this side, you're going to find the central message. Remember in my rows and piles of coins, Scroony learned a lesson. And in this text, this character is going to learn some kind of lesson too. Remember, that's the central message. So then you're going to pick from these three answer choices to be able to tell me what lesson did the character learn. So in this story it says, Ben knew the school rules on the playground. You were not supposed to hang from the monkey bars unless there was a teacher around. Ben wanted to impress his friends though, so Ben decided to jump up and grab the monkey bars. As soon as he reached for the next monkey bar, his fingers slipped and he fell to the ground. Ben heard a pop and felt a lot of pain in his arm. He knew it was broken. So what lesson did the character learn? A. Try harder. B. Don't fall. Or C. Follow the rules. Go ahead and circle which lesson you think that Ben learned in this story. If you need to hear it again, just start the video over again.